Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Right now we are at Grand Indonesia, one of the biggest malls in my country Indonesia for toy hunting. Grand Indonesia has two buildings connected by this indoor bridge. I usually just do unboxing videos, but I wanna just change it up a little bit. And since I got time today, I'm vlogging myself basically, shopping for some toys. So, let me know if you like this vlog style video or not in the comment section. Please be nice, it's my first time. I just want to try something new. So, I hope you enjoy this vlog and follow me. Toy hunting. Please excuse this voiceover shenanigans. I actually tried to narrate it on the spot, but it was such a busy day in the mall and there was actually music playing there, so to avoid copyright BS, it's better for me to do this voiceover, so I hope you don't mind. Look who welcomed me in the Pop Mart store. School Panda herself. Yep, she knew I was coming. Look at Molly. Labubu, Molly Labubu. And here's Hirono section. My boy Hirono. Hachipupu shelf. My baby Hachi Pupu. He is so cute. Look at him. This is so cute, but he can wait. This is doll, Hachipupu doll, but it is very expensive, so I'll skip it. I've been trying to find Kubo, but I couldn't find him anywhere near me. So when I asked, they actually have him, but there's only 3 left from this old series. So I guess he's not very popular, at least here. I'm not sure. A little shake or two won't hurt nobody. Demo. I have too many demos in my collection, so I'll skip it. School Panda has so many sections in the store. It's giving main character energy. And she's literally in the main display. The one displayed in the front of the store. Just mother behavior. This is the brand new series of School Panda. I originally was trying to find the Vis series, but it seems like they're running out of stock, so this flower shenanigan is coming humbly. This is the indoor bridge that I was talking about. It's connecting the 2 different buildings of this mall. See you in the other side. Look at this awesome sculpture. This is MNG Life Store. It's very underrated and not many people know, but it's actually my second favorite store after Pop Mart for finding some art toys. I found so many toys that Kikil Goods be opening in their YouTube videos here, so I love this store so much. This shape money thingy is intriguing. This funny guy reminds me of Tutulong, but like the globe version. Look at this little nugget. But the hands and the feet are so creepy, no. This looks like a dragon. Looks super cute. Definitely coming home with me. Another cute dragon looking baby. Let's grab it fast. She is so gorgeous and aesthetically pleasing, but who is she? She can wait though. Look at all these aesthetic stationaries. So gorgeous. Loki fell in love with these things. They are so awesome in my opinion. What do you think? Look at all these cool steampunk looking box. I love that this store doesn't only sell blind boxes, but they also sell other things like stationaries, plushies, acrylic standees, merchandise, basically collectibles. Nancy has her own special section. My girl. The fact that I didn't have this old series, I'm such a flop stan. So that's pretty much it, you guys, for the vlog section of this video. Next, let's go to the unboxing. Hello you guys. It feels incomplete without unboxing. So we are gonna be unboxing this two for now, and the rest will be for my next video. So let's open these babies together. Let's start with Kubo. Kubo is not my favorite IP actually, because I am, as you know, Nook stan. Nook, and I think Kubo is just his doppelganger. No offense to all the Kubo stans, but that's how I low-key feel. Because they're very similar in design, but like Kubo is the bad boy version of Nook. They both have buzz cut hairstyle, right? But enough rambling. Angel's Poem blind box series. This is old, right? I think it's old, pretty old. From this variants, I want, let's see, I can see he's cute, Oh, he's really cute. I want this. Blooming Melody. Nope. I don't like satanic, demonic shit. I'm sorry for the dark enthusiasts. I'm not sure about Ten Kubo. I like this one. Love makes me afraid. Oh, why? Why, baby? Stabbing the soft heart. I like. Obsessive domination. I like. Woven lies. I like. Prayer of love. I'm not sure about the blindfold or bandage eyes. But I like this one. I like this one. I actually like this one too. Burning Rage too. This meh. Not sure. Like, but ultimate, this one, big no. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing. Let's open this together. One, two, three. Who is it? Ta-da! Yes! My ultimate choice. He is looks like a dragonfly wings, not a cupid wings. But he's cool. This is what I wanted. These are the accessories. His trumpet has flower details and a bow, and these are his tent. Clear. I assembled him off camera, and this is him. I like it. His card, Blooming Melody, and this is him. I like it. Next, let's unback this cutie. Hey doll, hey dolls, hey dolls, hey dolls. I don't understand this. I can read, but he is so cute. He or she, they are so cute. They look like dragons, and I love dragons. So let's see. Owl series Chimera mini blind bag. MiHoYo. Oh, this is from MiHoYo, by MiHoYo. Okay, so the quality will be guaranteed great, right? MiHoYo never disappoint. So let's see. Let's rip it. Oh. Okay. Looks like there are bags, little bags inside. Let's see. One bag, second bag, third bag, and fourth bag. So there are 4 little bags inside. Let's see. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so cute. Blue body, turquoise. Is this turquoise or teal? Turquoise, right? I love turquoise. The horn looks like a gem. It's clear, not clear. What is this called? Translucent, right? I like it. So tiny. Love it. Next one. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the pinky one. She's so cute. Cutie. Oh my god. I love dragon. She looks like axolotl, right? Is that how you say that animal? That aquatic animal? So yeah, these are so cute. I can't. It keeps falling off. Can you please stand? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's the orange baby. So cute. So there's the sitting ones and there's the stand-up ones, I guess. Next up. Oh, this is my favorite. Look at the tail. The tail looks like mermaid tail, actually. Oh, I like this. I like this one the best. So cool. The black and the red, it pops. The color, the horns. He has 2 horns, unlike the first one. So cool. I like this one the best. So these are the babies we just pulled. I will unbox the rest in the next video. So yeah. I love this so much. So yeah, you guys, thank you for watching, and until next time.